Okay. So far we have discussed sales letter and I have posted the note on Google Classroom. Have you seen that note? Tell me. Give me your feedback. Monmoon, have you seen that note?
Yes, sir.
Shubhadeep, Shubhadeep, are we connected? Shubhadeep, Shubhadeep, unmute yourself and give me the feedback that whether you have seen that note or not. Shubhadeep, I think he has some network issue. Shambharu, have you seen that note?
What note, sir?
I have posted the Google Classroom link on the group so that if say note is there, says letter note. Have you visited
Okay.
my Google Classroom?
No, sir. I will install it. Okay, sir.
Okay. Aslam?
Yes, sir. I'm already note down this note.
Okay. So we'll start with sales letter today. Just a minute. Let me share my screen. Now is the screen visible to you? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So basically it is sales letter. And as I have mentioned, three part will be there. Introduction, next body of the letter, and number three, conclusion. Now, in business terminology, it is called star. It is called chain, and it is called hook. Hook. Just a minute. Okay, try to attend the class on time, otherwise it create problem. Okay, so sales letter consists of three parts: introduction, body of the letter, and conclusion. And in business terminology means the father of say business letter, you can say William Frehley. I have had his book. I am fortunate to have his book, and the edition is 1965. I was very fortunate to have this book from a say bookseller from a bookseller who sells old books. So it's a great privilege for me to have that book. So I have gone through the entire book, and you can say that he is the father of letter writing, business letter writing. So he has mentioned that instead of introduction, we'll use the term star. Star means, say, suppose you write a letter to a person, and what happens? Other Either that person will be interested or disinterested. So if he is interested only well, then he will go further. And if he is not interested, he will throw the letter. You agree with me or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So the purpose of sales letter, introduction or start is to make him engage. So that you should, what can I say? You should use some catchy word, catchy phrase so that he or she will be interested. Okay. So unless and until you make him interested and he goes through the entire thing, no one will, what can I say, no one will give attention to your sales letter, and it will be buried under heaps of paper, or it will be there in the spam of email. Okay, so first thing is that you need to make your sales letter interesting. Now how to make it interesting? You should need to use catchy word, catchy phrase. Catchy word, catchy phrase. Like, like say, last last minute sale with an exclamation mark. Or you can say like lifetime offer. Okay. So other phrase like say, you can say life in fairly life in fairly serious. So have you understood what I mean to say? That you need to use some catchy word or catchy phrase to engage your prospective customer. Got it? And it should be, so whenever you are using some catchy word, it should be in bold letter, it should be in capital with an exclamation mark. Because the idea is to engage him in the letter, to make him feel the pulse of the letter, to make him connect with you. If he or she is not connected with you, no, he or she won't come to your shop or to buy the product. So you need to compel him, persuade him. Extreme probing should be there, extreme persuasion should be there to make him, what can I say, to make him interested about your product, to make him interested about your letter. So up to this, is it okay? Tell me. Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next comes this body, body of the letter, or you can say chain. Now what is chain? Chain means you should keep on the discussion going. You should keep on the discussion going. The more you illustrate your point, the more you arouse curiosity among the customer, the more he will be your prospective customer, the more he will from prospect he will be a real customer. So you have to arouse the interest of the customer. You need to you need to make him feel the pulse of the business. Only then he or she will come to buy the product. And body of the letter should note down all the important elements like 10%.
So Shamudra is trying to join your class, but is unable to do you because I guess
May
you
just
will not let in.
there is a norm that within 10 minutes you should enter my class. If you fail to enter my class within 10 minutes, I won't allow anybody. Uh, tell 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 Samudra to join my class.
Sir, screen is not clear.
Share the you just click on the screen. It is very much clear. Everybody, can you see the screen? Tell me.
Focus. So now I am clearly visible.
Because see, I am just trying to focus on a topic, and you people come in piecemeal. Say one people join at five, say after 5 minutes, after 15 minutes. So it is not the case. Actually, I cannot concentrate on my topic if you go, if you people go on like this. So make it clear. You have to join within 5 minutes of the start of the class. Otherwise, from next class I won't allow anybody to enter my class. Be punctual. Just just 10% flat discount means you need to specify that if you purchase say more than a certain quantity. Please, all of you, please mute yourself. All of you, please mute yourself. If you have a question, then only unmute and ask me. Otherwise, no. 10% flat discount if you purchase a quantity of say 1000 units. Over a quantity of 1000 units. Okay. Or you can write your offer like first 10 subscriber okay. Is it clear to you? You have to pinpoint your offer. You have to make yourself clear that this is my offer, this is my takeaway, and this thing I need to give to the prospective customer so that he will be what can I say enthralled, he will be charmed, he will be mesmerized, and he will buy my product. Got it? This is all about the body of the letter, or you can say the chain, chain part. And lastly comes or hook. Conclusion, you have to write things like that. We thanking you in advance for the positive support that we would. Don't write will, write would. Receive from your end. So basically, this will be a kind of standard conclusion. So up to this, any question, any doubt? If you have any question, any doubt, feel free to ask me. And those who have joined later, I am recording this thing. It is live recording. It will be posted on the group. You can see the video after the class is over. Up to this, any question? Tell me. Hello. Any question? Feel free to ask me. And lastly, you need to write with regards your story. And it should be like SD. Now, do you know the meaning of SD? Have I discussed this term SD? Tell me. Hello?
Yes, sir.
SD means
Yes, sir.
signed by. Means this sales manager has signed this document. SD means signed by sales manager. No need to use the original signature. SD means that sales manager is taking the responsibility to sign this letter. So if anything happens, people will make accountable the sales manager. Got it?
Okay, sir.
Now let me discuss the format, means how to write it. Here you need to write from, means the center. Say from J K shop, say Tata Limited, Delhi, say any pin code, and to say Mr. X 13 Park Street, or you better you need to write Mr. X sales manager, say Sony, 13 Park Street, Kolkata, say 700019. Okay, this is the basic format. Here you need to use the date, say 9 11 2021. Here you need to write the subject, say last minute sale, sale, and then Here, number one, introduction, that is start. Number two, body of the letter, that is chain. And number three, conclusion equal to hook. So this is all about your sales letter. Any question up to this? Because I have demonstrated how to write a sales letter. So I would understand that you have understood the entire concept. So I will show you the form of sales letter. Just a minute. Please mute yourself. Please mute yourself. Okay. Can you see the screen? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
So it's a specimen of sales letter that I have shared on the Google Classroom. So Super Publishing House is writing. So his address is there, and he is writing to the principal of some school, DCM International School. So what he is writing? We are pleased to inform that we have just published the following books. Means it is the start or the introduction, which can be of special interest to brilliant school and college students as also to the candidate for various competitive examinations. Actually, the introduction, though I have used this as a sample, but it is not very catchy. Anyway, for your for your knowledge, or for say to have some idea, you can just go through it. So basically, this is the introduction, and then comes your body. Here you can see, as I have mentioned, we are further pleased to inform you that in case your institute decide to make a purchase of more than 50 books, means here you have to specify a quantity. You have to specify a quantity. Then we shall allow your institute a special discount of 15% beside the normal discount allowed. Means here he is persuading, the manager is persuading you. He is just trying to, he just, what can I say, pull you towards his offer. It is a case of extreme probing and extreme persuasion. He is trying to tell you that apart from the normal discount, he will give you additional discount if you buy more than 50 books. So be careful about the language. 50 books above, you will get additional discount. Below 50 books, normal discount. So what he is doing, he is trying to, what can I say, manipulate you. He is trying to say, paraphrase you the sentence in such a manner that you become attracted to his offer. Because in school they buy the books in bulk, and if they get some discount, so it will be a handy thing for the school. And they have written the conclusion. The conclusion is not correct. Hoping to receive a favorable reply from your honor. It is not correct from your aid. It should be from your aid. SD Torun Bhatia, sales manager for Super Publishing House. Now, is it okay? This example, tell me.
Okay, sir. Sir, where you write to Mr. X in your notes, please see that in this same place write no dot dot. Sir, what is correct? To or no?
No, you have to write, see this format. Just see. First, you have to write this format I have shown you. Just a minute. From, it is the standard format. From means it is from the sender. It is from the
Okay,
sender.
okay,
It
sir.
is from the sender. Who is the sender? JK Shaw, Tata Limited, Delhi. You follow this format, okay?
Okay,
And
sir. Okay, sir.
to Mr. X, sales manager, Sony. Better you also use comma.
Okay, sir.
Just a minute. You need to use comma. Okay. So this is the format, and after writing this format, you have to write introduction, body of the letter, and conclusion. So have you understood this letter or not? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Next example. Is the screen visible to you? Tell me.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So basically, here India Bull Mega Store, and don't worry about the format. Follow my format that I had shown you. You just see the content of the letter. Basically, it's a letter written to all the customer. They don't have the name, so it's a written to all the customers. So you can say anonymous customer. Name is not known. So introduction or start at the beginning, they should write, "We wish you a happy Diwali in advance. We take pleasure in announcing the annual festival sale." Here is here they are juggling with the word. Here is they are juggling with the word. Here is a never before irresistible festival bonanza. They are using some catchy phrase. Mind it, catchy phrase. Bonanza means offer. Bonanza means offer for you. Come and share soon the festival discount sale and avail yourself of a cracking 20% off by presenting this wonderful discount coupon. Means they would give you coupon, and if you redeem those coupon at the sales counter, you will get a flat discount of 20%. Moreover, you even pass on this to your friend or relation. So this is the introduction or the start. Automatically going through this letter, you will feel interested. Okay, they would give me 20% discount. So why don't go to that shop and have this opportunity? Because 20% is quite a large amount. And not only that, I can pass on this to my friend, or I can have a trade off with my friend for something, so that if I give them 20% this coupon, they would give me some favor. So you having this mentality or having this mindset, you will automatically be attracted about this offer. Then they have written the body of the letter, or you can say the chain. Here they have specifically mentioned offer is valid till 3rd October 2008 on every one-time purchase of 1000. Means it is the minimum. They have mentioned that it is the minimum that you have to purchase. Means if you fail to purchase this thing, the offer won't be, what can I say? The offer cannot be triggered. So you can buy early for best selection. So basically, they are trying to make you understand. They are trying to create a curiosity within you so that you will feel attracted to buy the product. Okay, and then come conclusion, adding more to your bundle of joy. Yours sincerely, marketing team, India Bulls Megastore, Ludhiana. So is this letter okay to you or not? Tell me.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Next, is the screen visible to you? Tell me. Hello.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Clearly
So,
visible.
so here they are introducing a new product, Well Home Electrical. So again, it's a kind of anonymous letter writing to all the customers. So it is written, we feel proud to inform you about our latest model of twin tub semi-automatic washing machine. Basically, they're speaking about a washing machine and they want to make you attracted toward the washing machine. So if you have that if you say if they can develop interest about that washing machine within you, so you will feel attracted to buy the product. So basically they're saying that all the good point of earlier machine is there in this machine. Apart from that, it is an updated version of the new machine. So basically they are saying that okay, if you are even if you have an old machine, no matter. But if you have this machine, you will be proud enough to have this machine because it is an updated version. So apart from the features that you had in the earlier machine, this machine adds some new more features. So automatically you will feel attracted to get to have this in your kitty. So by say juggling with the word, by say what can I say, paraphrasing, by making sentences attractive, by making attractive sentences, they're luring you to buy the product. So this is the introduction. Next, the body. This machine, just a minute, really entirely a new concept, means here they're telling about the product and they are citing the benefit, the advantage, what the product can offer. Means here in the border, in the body or the chain, you have to specify that these are the advantages the product offer. So if I make those advantages understood to the customer, so the customer would be well informed and he would buy my product. And lastly, the conclusion, we feel pleasure in inviting you to showroom in our town, blah blah blah. Then 10% introductory discount. So they're creating a what can I say haste in you by saying rush to the nearest well home store in your town. Rush, mind it, rush. They're trying to incite you. They are trying to create a haste in you in your mindset so you feel the insecurity. Basically they're trying to insecurity that this product has a limited version. So if the stocks are exhausted, so you won't get the product. Okay, tell me. Is it okay with you? Tell me. Have you understood this
Yes,
thing?
sir. Yes, sir.
Just a minute. So this is all about sales letter. In my next class, I will give you an audio video presentation regarding this, how to say how in practical words sales letter is written. I will show you an audio video presentation. Just a minute, just please wait, don't leave the class. Let me have the attendance. Just a minute. Just a minute.
Sir.
Just a minute, just a minute. Just a minute, I will take a screenshot of the attendance because we are documenting all the attendance. Just a minute. Please mute yourself. Please mute yourself. Please mute yourself. Just a minute. Just a minute. Okay, it's okay. So yes, someone is asking some question. Tell me. Hello? If you have any question, feel free to ask me.
Sir, my question is not on this topic. My question on the class of
Yes. I have already had a word with our principal. It will start soon. Okay. So that's
Okay,
all
sir.
for today. Have a nice day. Thanks for attending my class.
Okay,
Have a
sir.
nice day.
Have
Thank
a
you,
nice
sir.
day. Have a nice day.
তিনটা করে দিয়েছিলাম রাস্কেল।
Class is over. Okay.
So excuse me.
You can leave. You can leave. Just a minute. There is some issue.